Hi, in this video I'm going to look at an app that I've made to explain mechanical energy transfer. So basically here we've got a mass. The GeoGebra app, the link I will put in the notes of the video. So we've got a 20 kilogram mass, which you can change it according to the slider here. And we've got a force pushing it 100 newtons and a resistance at the moment of 69 newtons. Okay, so the change in kinetic energy will be a half m of the final velocity squared minus a half m of the initial velocity squared. So at the moment the initial velocity is 0 and the final velocity at the moment is actually 0 because it hasn't gone anywhere. The work done is the force times the distance s. Okay, so as it, at the moment it hasn't gone anywhere. It's 100 times 0, which is 0 newtons. And then the work done by R is minus 69 because that force is going in the opposite direction, times 0, and that's going to be equal to minus 0 newtons at the moment. So the work done by F plus the work done by R, so at the moment it's 0 minus 0, which is 0, is going to be the change in kinetic energy, which is also 0 at the moment. And if we press the buttons here, we will see that this will always be equal to this, and it's going to actually travel about 12 meters. So I'll just press the start button, you'll see, and you can see here, if you do this calculation, it will be equal to this value at any point. We can stop it anywhere. Okay, at the moment it's 9.5. If we do 950 minus 666.5, we're going to get 294.5, which is the change in kinetic energy. Here we got 950, and here we've got the this is the work done by the force and the work done by the resistance. If we subtract those two, so if we did 950 minus so if we did 950 minus 655.5, we will see we will get 294, and that will happen here, and if we carry on, it will carry on right to the bitter end. Okay, and we can change the mass, and the same thing will happen. The work energy principle will be followed. So it's not an app that you could use. So this has been a video to use GeoGebra to show the work energy principle, which is the work done by a force plus the work done by the resistant force going in the opposite direction will be equal to the change in kinetic energy. I hope you understand, and I'll remind you that the GeoGebra app will be in the notes of the video. Thank you very much for watching.